Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your online mathematics class. I hope you all are fine. Unit number 2, number operations addition. Students, our today's topic is addition of 3-digit numbers with carrying. There are 198 students in my school. 6 more students get admission. Find the total number of students in the school. Students, we can find the total number of students by adding 198 and 6. Here, as you can see, the number of blocks at ones, tens and hundreds place. Students, first we have 198. In 198, 8 at ones place. So, we will show here at ones place 8 blocks and 9 at tens place. So, we will show here 9 sets of tens blocks and 1 is at hundreds place. So, we will show here at hundreds place 1 set of hundreds blocks. Students, when we add 6 more blocks at ones place, it will become 14. Students, as you know that we have already learned about that 10 ones is equal to 110. So, we will write here 4, carry 1 to the tens place. Now add tens. In 9 sets of tens blocks, when we add 1 more tens, it will become 10. Students, always remember, when the sum of tens is more than 9 after adding, then 10 makes 100. Carry 100 to the hundreds place. Now add hundreds. In 1 set of hundreds blocks, when we add 1 more set of hundreds blocks, it will become 2. And the answer will be 204. Students, we can also show these numbers in hundreds, tens and ones place like this. Number of students 198. Add new students 6. Students, we have already find the total of 198 and 6. So, total number of students in the school is 204. The next example is in our village there is a garden. There are 254 mango trees and 78 guava trees. How many trees are there in the garden altogether? Students, we will find the total number of trees by adding 254 and 78. Students, let's solve example number 2. Here, as you can see, the number of blocks at ones, tens and hundreds place. At ones place, I am showing you 4 blocks. At ones place, 5 sets of tens blocks, and at hundreds place, 2 sets of hundreds blocks. First we add ones. In 4 blocks, when we add 8 more blocks, it will become 12. Students, as you know that 10 ones is equal to 110. So, we will carry 1 to the tens place. Now add tens. At tens place, 5 sets of 10 blocks. When we add 7 more sets of 10 blocks and 1 set of 10 blocks, it will become 13. So, students, as you know that 10 tens makes 100. So, carry 1 to the hundreds place. At hundreds place, in 2 sets of hundreds blocks, when we add 1 more set of hundreds blocks, it will become 3. And the answer will be 332. Students, we can also write these numbers in hundreds, tens and ones place like this. Mango trees 254 and add guava trees 78. And students, we have already find out the answer, that is 332 after adding 254 and 78. So, there are 332 trees in the garden altogether. And our third example is in animal farm. There are 345 cows and 265 sheep. How many animals are there in the farm altogether? Students, we will find the total number of animals by adding 345 and 265. So, students, let's solve this example and learn. Here I am showing you the blocks at ones, tens and hundreds place. First, at ones place, I am showing you 5 blocks. At tens place, 4 sets of tens blocks. At hundreds place, 3 sets of hundreds blocks. Students, as you know that, first we add the ones. In 5 blocks, when we add 5 more blocks, it will become 10. So, students, what should we will do? Yes, we write 0 at ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now students, what should we will do next? Yes, add the tens. In 4 sets of tens blocks, when we add 6 more tens blocks and 1 more tens blocks, it will become 11. So we will write 1 at tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. At hundreds place in 3 sets of hundreds blocks, when we add 2 more sets of hundreds blocks and add 1 more set of hundreds blocks, it will become 6 and the answer will be 610. So students, we can also show these numbers at hundreds, tens and ones place like this. Cows in the farm 345 and sheep in the farm 265. Students, we have already find the total of farm animals by adding 345 and 265 with the help of blocks, and the answer is 610. So there are 610 animals in the farm altogether. Students, let's solve this exercise. Exercise number 3. Question number 1. Solve the following. The part A is 185 at ones, tens and hundreds place. Students, what should we will do first? Yes, we add ones. 5 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 11. So we will write 1 at ones place and carry the 1 to the tens place. Now add tens. 1 tens plus 8 tens is equal to 9. And we write 1 at hundreds place same as it is. And the answer is 191. The part B is 249 at ones, tens and hundreds place. First we add the ones. 9 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 15. So we will write 5 at ones place and 1 carry to the tens place. Now students, what should we will do? Yes, we will add tens. 1 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 5. Now we will write 2 same as it is at hundreds place. So the answer is 255. The next part is C. 574 at ones, tens and hundreds place. First we add ones. 4 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 11. So we will write here 1 at ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now add tens. 1 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 8. Now we write 5 at hundreds place same as it is, and the answer is 581. Okay students, solve these parts by yourself by watching part A, B and C and other example. Students, solve question number 2 by watching examples. So students, today's our lecture is completed. I hope you all understand and do practice of these questions at home and also keep it in your mind. Take care. Allah Hafiz.